Welcome to 2822 Little Falls Place. Located just inside the Beltway, this beautiful 3-level townhouse features an open floor plan with plenty of amenities. The main level features beautiful hardwood floors and plenty of natural light. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops with a walkout onto the back deck. The upstairs features a large primary bedroom with ample space, 2 separate walk-in closets, and a gorgeous his and hers bathroom. The lower level features a finished space, a spacious bedroom with a full bath, and access to the backyard and garage. Just minutes away from Mosaic District, Tysons, and Washington, D.C., this home is perfect for anybody looking for a short commute and plenty of options for shopping, dining, and more. For more information, please give us a call.